Okay, here we are with Zen. He's got his Wolverine guy. So you want to show everybody what it looks like from the front?
Mm-hmm.
Got a nice classic Wolverine X-Men figure. Comes with some weapons and stuff, right?
So there you go. I gotta get my head out of the picture.
Sure, go get it. Can you get him out of there? Logan, you want to go help him? Have Logan give you a hand, okay?
I was in this video.
You might need to help him get those out too.
Need
So
help?
you got your Wolverine guy there. What you got there? Some weapons? Looks like a missile.
Rocket or a missile? Mm-hmm.
What's that?
A rocket shooter.
Big Wolverine's big gun?
How do we shoot this?
I don't know.
You want me to? I think I know how. Put this, then you like. I got it. Now I'll know all the
You
rest.
figure it out? Let me see.
I'll hold the Wolverine. I'll hold Wolverine.
Hold him up and show him. Show him to everybody. Nice Wolverine there.
That was I in the video. We got a fractal armored Batman. I'm gonna
See, the Total Justice figure.
we can get these guys.
Yep. This is back before they had to put 20 billion wires around an action figure to hold it into the package. Nice and easy to get out of there, huh? Oh, and his armor comes off. I didn't know that.
Here's his arm moves right there and right here. His arms moves right here.
Yeah, pretty cool. And then let's see him with the armor on. Nice. That is one cool looking Batman. I like his cape.
And take the armor off. Just a cool Batman. There's these metal claw things on each arm. And he has this. Dad, look that at goes Wolverine. In his gun.
Hang on.
That goes in his gun. You pull this back to shoot it like this.
Nice.
And he runs, the gun comes out, stuff, and his cape comes off.
Awesome, dude.
And I don't think any other things will come off.
Well, that's a pretty cool looking Batman. I don't think I've ever seen one quite like that before. So that's the Fractal Batman.
See ya. See ya.